There's news, there's sense, and there is nuisance. This show is all about the last bit. I am back. Why? Because Manisha and several of our team members are on the ground. क्योंकि टीवी न्यूज़ की ड्रामेबाजी की दुनिया में जर्नलिज्म और एक्चुअल ग्राउंड रिपोर्टिंग की भी ज़रूरत है. I have too much tamasha and hysterical panels to dissect for you today. As I record this, we have Atul, Basant, Manisha, Anmol in Jammu and Kashmir and Haryana covering the elections, and Srinivasan Jain in the Middle East covering the violence in Gaza. All this happened because you contributed. Not government ads, not corporate ads. I hope you're logging on to newslaundry.com or have downloaded our app and are reading and watching reader-funded, non-sponsored, ad-free ground reports.
I have been reporting from the Kashmir Valley for the past 5 days.
हरियाणा विधानसभा चुनाव कवर करने के लिए अभी मैं जिंद में मौजूद हूँ.
इस वक्त मैं जम्मू कश्मीर विधानसभा चुनाव कवर कर रहा हूँ.
पिछले कुछ दिनों से हम लोग जम्मू कश्मीर के तमाम हिस्सों से ग्राउंड रिपोर्ट्स और इंटरव्यूज आप तक लेकर आ रहे हैं.
All this is possible because of your support.
क्योंकि हमारे इस एनएल सेना प्रोजेक्ट को आपने मदद किया, हमारे तमाम सब्सक्राइबर्स ने मदद किया.
न्यूज लॉन्ड्री किसी कारपोरेट या सरकार से विज्ञापन नहीं लेता है.
तो हमारे इस कवरेज को अपनी मदद जारी रखिए. न्यूज लॉन्ड्री को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि हम पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट, जनहित की खबरें आप तक लाते रहें.
Think journalism, think of us.
You can support our journalism by scanning this QR code or clicking on the link in the description. Because as we say, when the public pays, the public is served. But as our teams report from the ground, let us on this show highlight what your big legacy media channels with so many resources are doing in this busy election season. Since state elections are underway, one would assume you'd have informed discussion on policy, unemployment, health indices, and other election issues for these states. Arre kahan? Instead, as usual, this week we had tamasha in the name of news. A new fatura was unleashed. One nation, one election. Cabinet cleared the proposal, and on cue, all channels started discussing this pointless and terrible idea with the seriousness it does not deserve.
तीसरे टर्म में नरेंद्र मोदी को कमजोर कहने वाले विपक्ष को क्या मोदी ने वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन वाला चैलेंज दे दिया है?
मोदी सरकार अपने पहले 100 दिनों में ही बहुत कुछ कर चुकी है. पहले 100 दिन में ही उसने वक्फ से लेकर वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन पर वो बिल ले आई और इन मुद्दों पर उसने विपक्षी दलों को भी लगातार एक्सपोज किया है.
एक देश एक चुनाव विकसित होने का सपना देख रहे भारत की सख्त आवश्यकता है, सख्त जरूरत है.
I appeal to you what the Prime Minister has done today by ensuring that the cabinet passes one nation one poll is the single biggest fundamental reform that can change our country's destiny, ladies and gentlemen.
एक देश एक चुनाव भारत के विकास के लिए आज की आवश्यकता है. इसलिए इस पर राजनीति को परे रखकर पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट से डिबेट, डिस्कशन और डिलिब्रेशन होना ही चाहिए.
Yeah. News channels don't even make an effort to disguise where they get the scripts to form the news cycles from. See, for one, this profound change needs an amendment to the constitution, which is kind of difficult right now considering how the parliament is positioned. And second, this is something we hear all the time, it will be an economical, sasta option. Really? Really, that's your point?
और इससे चुनावों पर सरकार का खर्च भी कम से कम 12,000 करोड़ रुपए कम हो जाएगा.
Can I pause you to say that having staggered elections is also very expensive? If you combine them all into one election, it may be more cost effective than having multiple elections, ma'am.
यानी अगर आज चुनाव पर 100 रुपए खर्च हो रहे हैं ना, तो एक देश एक चुनाव लागू हो जाने के बाद सिर्फ 30 रुपए में पूरे देश भर के चुनाव हो जाएंगे. विधानसभाओं को भी जोड़ दीजिए.
अब देखिए, जो लोग वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन के समर्थन में हैं, वो तो कह रहे हैं कि प्रशासनिक क्षमता इससे बढ़ेगी, बर्बादी पैसे की इतनी, कभी ये चुनाव कभी वो चुनाव, वो सब खत्म हो जाएगा.
हाँ यार, that's what we need. Democracy effective हो ना हो, robust हो ना हो, level playing field हो ना हो, but it should be सस्ता and टिकाऊ. See, so far all our prime ministers have made a habit of going on and on at every opportunity they get to boast about India being the largest democracy. And foreign leaders echo that too. Check this out.
The US is the oldest and India the largest democracy.
Our two great democracies.
India is the world's largest democracy.
But now we can say we are not just the largest, but also the most tikau, value for money and sasta democracy. Want to save money by canning the Central Vista project? No, that must go on. Want to save money by spending less on private jets, luxury cars and the enormous homes of our netas? No. Want to save money by having fewer elections? Of course. Of all the shitty arguments, the Sasta one is perhaps the shittiest. But there were other tamashas too this week. Tamasha chalu karo.
जो केजरीवाल अपने जूते की नोक पर इस्तीफा लेकर चलते थे, वो करीब 6 महीने तक जेल में रहने के बाद भी इस्तीफा नहीं दे पाए। शायद जूते की नोक पे लेकर चलते होंगे, जेल में चप्पल पहन रहे होंगे, तो जूते की नोक पे बाहर ही रह गया होगा इस्तीफा।
The BJP is calling this a publicity stunt. You know, many said ये PM का birthday उन्होंने जानबूझ के, because the PM will have his events, they've gone and announced it. ये सारे का सारा ये PR stunt कर रहे हैं।
भारत के प्रधानमंत्री अपवाद हैं। वो डॉग्स को नहीं बल्कि गाय को पाल रहे हैं और पूरी दुनिया को ये बता रहे हैं कि मैं अलग हूं, इसके लिए मैं बिल्कुल शर्मिंदा नहीं हूं और ये बात उन्हें बाकी के नेताओं से बिल्कुल अलग बनाती है। लेकिन गाय भारत के 10 शीर्ष पालतू जानवरों में नहीं आती और इसका कारण ये है कि हमारे देश में गाय को मां का दर्जा तो दिया गया है, लेकिन इसके साथ ही गौ सेवा को और गोपालकों को पिछड़ा हुआ, अशिक्षित और कट्टर हिंदू मान लिया जाता है।
Anurag is not stopping. What do I do?
Arnab, give me 20
He's not
seconds.
stopping
That's
tonight.
not the way.
He's
You
not
also know how to
stopping.
moderate the debate.
I know how to moderate the debate, but he's got to stop. He's breathless. He's a political Shankar Mahadevan tonight.
But among all the tamasha, there was one very special item this week. This one.
Constantly,
Okay, that's why I've shifted.
Did I say anything else? He's constantly commenting on me. Constantly commenting on me. बोलिए उसको चुप रहो।
अच्छा ठीक है। 1 minute. आनंद
10 वोट नहीं ले पाया। What are you going to
1
do?
minute. अच्छा एक
Stop shouting, I'm not your dad. Get out.
Oof, now there is so much to unpack here, so much. Matlab, even by the dismal standards of news and debate that Times Now has set for itself, this was a new low. This fracas was aggressively and enthusiastically pushed out by them on social media. Matlab, ki this is the gold. Please, you must watch this.
Have you given him the license to say me anything?
No,
Have you given him the license?
No, I am not.
Have you given him the license?
Not at all.
Now, why would any self-respecting adult come on such shows? Makes you wonder, na? Speaking of adults, does it seem ironic to you that this show is sponsored by university? Yes, Amity University. Wow, amazing choice na for university. मतलब गलगोटिया यूनिवर्सिटी, एमिटी यूनिवर्सिटी, ये बनाएंगे हमारे demographic dividend को globally competitive. The choice of shows they associate their brand with tells us so much about these brands and what they aspire to be. Look at the faces of these confused kids. Oh dear God. I don't know which university these kids are from, but they must have left their colleges and homes thinking, we're going to a new studio. And there, we will learn how to articulate thoughts in convincing, sensible, and intelligent ways. The intellectual and academic heft we will encounter will be so abbe yaar. But instead, they get, क्या कर लेगा? इधर आ. I'm not your dad. Your dad.
Talk properly. Shut up.
Okay, 1 minute.
I'm not your dad. No, I'm telling you, shut up.
ओए इधर आ और जा, मैं दिखाता हूँ. यार मतलब ये सब ही दिखाना है तो इन अनएथलेटिक थके हुए नर्ड्स से क्यों दंगल करवा रहे हो? रजत दलाल और गौरव चावला जैसे पहलवानों का कलेज दिखाओ, कुछ मजा भी आए. इससे कुछ सीखने को ही मिलेगा हमें, कुछ जबरदस्त लैंग्वेज, जैसे कि ओ यही गाड़ दूंगा, हाथ तो लगा, बाजू खाड़ के बुंडे में दे दूंगा, फिर देखियो तू. मतलब लेट्स गो ऑल द वे ना. व्हाट इज दिस? You shut up. No, इधर आ. इधर क्या कर लेगा? Get out. यार come on man. Action film बना रहे हो, वो भी KRK के साथ.
Shut up.
1 minute.
It's like watching 8-year-old kids playing gully cricket with the budget of an IPL match. See, we have dealt with a lot of fake news and nonsensical commentary on TV channels over the years. But here, a limit was crossed. Really, Navika, you crossed a limit. You can't go that far and get a free pass. I'll get to what that was, but first, let's see what all we have tolerated in the past. Remember this?
Yishi Jun Shi Shang Brigade
and said, Wu Tao Yi Kong He.
Okay, kind of ridiculous, but maaf kiya. In any case, karare chane, le lo karare chane. He didn't survive there long. Then there was this.
This is IMMA bounce. What is exactly what we're talking about right now?
चलो ये भी माफ किया. नादान हैं, excited हैं, TRPs का pressure है, let it go. But there is a limit, and that was crossed when Navika said this.
We are not nursery children. We are all mature.
Bus. This is unacceptable. We are all mature people here? Really? कुछ भी? Navika मतलब कुछ भी? Where are the mature people? Show me, please show me. Who is the mature person? Is it the one saying, he started it, teacher, he started it.
Constantly.
Okay, that's why I've shifted.
Did I say anything else?
Listen.
He's constantly commenting on me.
अच्छा.
Or is the mature person the one saying, क्या कर लेगा? Come on, I'm not your dad. Oi. Is that the mature person?
अच्छा, एक मिनट.
Stop shouting, I'm not your dad.
Or is the mature person saying, 1 minute, we are all mature people here. Without the slightest bit of irony or self-awareness. Who is the mature person in this room? Or is it these kids who are wondering, what the fuck are we doing here with these aging losers? Uncles who think they are young bucks trying to be tough guys? Or this shouting lady running this sasta akhada? इन युवाओं के मासूम चेहरे देखिए. This is our demographic dividend. इनको हम क्या सिखा रहे हैं? क्या दिखा रहे हैं? See, the late Sidhu Moosewala, in his excellent song 295, had some insightful commentary about TV news. He said, जे एवें रहा गीता विच सच बोलदा आउण वाली पीढ़ी एजुकेट मिलूगी. So with due respect to the late singer, I say, ਐਵੇਂ ਬੱਚੇ ਨਿਊਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਵੇਖਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਤੇ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਪੀੜ੍ਹੀ ਅਨਐਜੂਕੇਟ ਮਿਲੂਗੀ, ਨਤ ਕੰਟਰੋਵਰਸੀ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਮਿਲੂਗੀ, ਧਰਮਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਮ 'ਚ ਡਿਬੇਟ ਮਿਲੂਗੀ, ਸੱਚ ਮਿਲੂਗਾ ਤੂੰ ਮਿਲੂ 295, ਕਰੇਗਾ ਤਰੱਕੀ ਪੁੱਤ ਹੇਟ ਮਿਲੂਗੀ. And as if it's not disgraceful enough that this is the kind of cockfighting that goes as political debate, you have these shows sponsored by universities. And when such a ghatiya level brawl breaks out, you'd assume the channel would edit this and release the cleaned up version. Why, if nothing smart, at least nothing quite so stupid would be said.
एक मिनट.
But no, they used the worst bits to promote this show and ran with this to get people to watch this low budget dangal. You know what this is like? Matlab, if I'm wearing an outfit where, say, a crow shits on my white kurta, and this kurta is white, right? Right?
Who knows? Maybe this is not white. That's what you want to show to the world.
Oof. Why do I even bother? But let's assume this kurta is white and I have a meeting to attend and a crow shits on my kurta. Now I have a kurta with a bit of shit. I'll cover it with a shawl like this, right? Like this. Or I'll sit through the whole meeting like this. Like I'm saying Sahara Salam or something. Or holding my heart. I'll hide the crap, no. No. If I were Times Now or any such garbage spewing network, I'd make sure that the only thing everyone saw is the shit stained kurta. ऐसा करो पूरा कुर्ता ही कौवे की टट्टी के बना दो. It'll get me attention. Reality show and news debates में फर्क ही नहीं रहा. The crossover is complete. Back in the pre-internet days, a crossover film was one that did really well in India and also crossed over international and cultural lines and did well overseas. Now we have a new kind of crossover. Crossover TV personalities. I can't really call them stars or journalists or anything that would suggest that they have a specific area of expertise. They're just there for general raunak, or as we say in Punjab, rolla. ये लोग rolla पाउंड दे लिए हैं. See, it's not a coincidence that we have over the few years seen so many people float between primetime news and reality shows. Here is the pioneer of that crossover, Om Ji Baba.
मैं अरे तू क्या मारेगी? तू क्या मारेगी मुझे? अरे तू क्या मारेगी? ये हाथ पड़ेगी समझ? हाँ तू मेरा हाथ कैसे लगा रही है? तू हाथ कैसे लगा रही है मुझे? तू कैसे मुझे हाथ लगा रही है? क्या बोल रही हो? हाथ कैसे लगा रही है तू मुझे? कल तुमने
Then they were what some, even now, described as journalists on reality shows.
कभी प्यार और कभी भी नफरत, कभी खुशी कभी गम, दिल से दिल तक।
आप बदतमीजियों के लिए माफी नहीं मांगेंगे?
आपको पता है मैं क्या हूँ?
आप बाहर की दुनिया में भी कुछ नहीं हो। आप दोनों का खेल खत्म है, इससे आगे आप लोग कहीं जाते हुए दिखाई नहीं दे रहे।
And of course, there was this recent gem by my old friend Deepak Chaurasia on Big Boss.
आज की ब्रेकिंग न्यूज क्या है? आज की ब्रेकिंग न्यूज है एक खाली प्लेट और एक खाली चम्मच। लेकिन अब टेंशन क्या है? चिंता इस बात की है कि लंच में क्या है?
Chalo, let's play a small quiz. We'll call it Guess the Sound. No, wait. We'll call it Guess the Noise. TV news versus reality show edition. We will play an audio clip and you have to guess where it's from. A news channel or a reality show. Okay? Here's one. The first clip.
इतना मारूंगा तेरा बाप भी याद करेगा, समझा? Keep quiet.
Keep quiet. Can you guess where this is from? Republic TV? Times Now? No, this is from Big Boss.
आपका नाम लिया मैंने? शांति रखिए।
इतना मारूंगा तेरा बाप भी याद करेगा, समझा? Keep quiet.
Now for clip number 2.
सुनिए, चुप रहिए। उसके बाद कहा, सुनिए, पूरी बात करिए।
तमीज से बात करिए। ये तो पक्का बिग बॉस है यार, for sure. Wrong?
सुनिए, चुप रहिए। कुश्ती संघ भंग कर दिया गया। उसके बाद कहा, सुनिए, पूरी बात करिए। पूरी बात
आपस में बातचीत बंद कीजिए प्लीज।
अरे अंजना जी, आप यहाँ भी? चलो, let's play the next one.
मैं ऐसे तेरे साथ खड़ा होके बात करूं, तेरे को कैसा लगेगा?
कर लो, मेरे को कुछ नहीं लगेगा।
तमीज रख थोड़ी बात करने की।
तमीज. Well, this तमीज की demand is fairly polite. Must be because of newsroom decorum. Wrong again?
अब मैं ऐसे तेरे साथ खड़ा होके बात करूं, तेरे को कैसा लगेगा?
कर लो, मेरे को कुछ नहीं लगेगा।
तमीज रख थोड़ी बात करने की।
चलो, next.
आप जैसे लोग सवाल दिमाग, आप जैसे लोग जो खाते जेल के, शेर के पैसे किए और खाते पाकिस्तान के।
इतनी लड़ाई, इतना चिल्लाना. This has to be Big Boss. Wrong again?
आप जैसे लोग सवाल दिमाग, आप जैसे लोग जो खाते जेल के, शेर के पैसे किए और खाते पाकिस्तान के।
चौरसिया जी, इतनी एनर्जी, लगता है घुटनों की दवाई शायद रह गई थी इस एपिसोड से पहले. चलो, नेक्स्ट.
चिल्ला रहे?
बापा बोला नहीं,
चिल्लाओ नहीं।
बापा बोला नहीं,
किसी के बाप
नहीं बोला, समझे क्या?
This तो sounds eerily familiar to Times Now. Must be Times Now. Damn.
बाप में जाना नहीं,
चिल्ला रहे?
बापा बोला नहीं,
चिल्लाओ नहीं।
बापा बोला नहीं,
किसी के बाप
नहीं बोला, समझे क्या?
1 minute.
Not your dad. Talk properly. Shut up.
Okay, 1 minute.
I'm not your dad. No, I'm dad. Shut up.
So you get a point, right? तमाशा करने में टीवी न्यूज एंकर्स और इनके पैनलिस्ट्स का कोई कंपटीशन ही नहीं है.
1 मिनट. ऐसा है. अब मैं ऐसा करती हूँ.
I'm leaving.
देखा, I'm leaving बोला, लेकिन did not leave. अरे they can't leave no matter how much they are humiliated, because इनकी दुकान इसी तमाशे से चलती है.
और तुम्हारी दुकान भी तो इसी तमाशे से चलती है.
ओए, नो, हमारी दुकान इस तमाशे से नहीं चलती. हमारी दुकान जर्नलिज्म से चलती है. Think journalism, think of us. Because our focus is ground reports. We are not sponsored by any sarkari ads or university ads or ads by large corporations who sell you cures for AIDS, homosexuality and other such issues. We try to provide a cure for stupidity by asking you to contribute. The QR code is flashing again. You know what to do. Link is also in the show notes. You can click on that. We are sponsored by you. We depend only on you. Because without news, democracy will die. And you cannot leave the lifeblood of democracy at the mercy of large industrialists, corporations, or sarkari ads. Tired of seeing drama on your news channels? Well, stop complaining. Do something about it. Help good journalism thrive and survive. So until next time, stay mad. That's the only way.